What is it needed? Actually, what the hunters should know. First of all, let's start with forensic skills. Network, endpoint, memory, they have to understand all the technicality of the forensics in order to realize which forensics evidence we are looking for during each hunt and during each technique. Obviously, along with the forensic skills, we also need, a really good knowledge of the operating system internals, how the internal of Windows is working, Windows or Linux is working, because this is the main core of the hunter's work, to explore the data that comes from the operation system internals. And one of the last technical skills is also the ability to identify which forensics evidence is related to which attack.